Hey, are you looking for the best budget 4K drone from Amazon? I have fixed the top 5 best Amazon 4K drones of their high percentage selling rate, demand, and customer rating. All the links of the drones are in the description, below the video. Subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell, to stay up to date with the latest technology reviews. So let's enjoy this video. In at number 5, the best drone is Contixo F11 GPS 4K Quadcopter drone. It is provided with a 90-degree vertical adjustable camera with a 120-degree field of view lens which performs breathtaking 4K ultra-high definition picture quality and 2.7K video for stunning clarity. It is also provided with deep contrast and vivid colors. You will get a bonus 64GB SD card included in the package. It is equipped with 2 upgraded 2500 mAh intelligent batteries that provide up to 60 minutes of flying time. One of them provides 30 minutes, another one provides 30 minutes of flying time. It is able to reach live video and image transmission distances up to 1,700 feet. F11 Pro is provided with stronger GPS positioning and can hover stably to catch clearer images and return to home precisely. It comes with equipped brushless motors to ensure a smooth and also powerful flight. Easy folding capabilities are given in this, for allowing compact storage without uninstalling propellers after use. It is provided with some amazing features that will help you operate it easily and beautifully. You will get follow me, orbit mode, gesture control to free your hands to take ideal selfies. You will also get point of interest or tap to fly feature so that you can fly it in a directed and custom path using up to 16 waypoints. In at number 4, the best drone is Ruko F11 Pro 4K GPS drone. You will be able to experience the splendid 4K ultra high definition picture quality. You will be also able to experience 2.9K video for stunning clarity, high contrast, vivid colors. You will be able to bring amazing view sight. You will get the camera with a 120-degree field of view lens and a 90-degree adjustable camera which will give you a broad view of your memorable moments. It is equipped with an upgraded 2500 mAh intelligent battery which will provide up to 30 minutes of flight time. You will get one extra battery in the package which will extend your flight time to 60 minutes. You have to charge it only for 3.5 hours, fast charging time gives you more fun. This drone will be able to reach live video transmission of 300 to 500 meters. You will get up to 500 meters of image transmission distance which is 1614 in fit. It is also provided with a stronger GPS signal so that it can hover stably to catch clearer images and return to home precisely. It is easy for beginners to operate because it is provided with some essential functions like auto return, tap fly, one key takeoff or landing, first-person view, headless mode. You will be easily able to control it with some simple press. Even little boys and girls will be able to take it under well control. In at number 3, the best drone is Potensic Dreamer Pro GPS Quadcopter drone. This drone has a 4K camera with Sony sensor. It is provided with a built-in powerful 1x3 cm Sony sensor, which is also provided with an auto exposure function. This drone will allow you to take 3840 by 2160 resolution HD photos. You will also be able to restore the shooting scene with 4K images. It is also provided with an anti-shake ball which is designed to reduce vibration and ensures clear and ultra-smooth footage. You will be also able to record more details of your daily life and make the video more smooth and delicate. You have to give thanks to the integration of 3000 mAh 4S smart battery and brushless motor. It is capable of a powerful motor and low consumption while ensuring a maximum battery life of up to 31 minutes with a 2-hour fast charge. It will make your shooting more enjoyable. It is provided with an exclusive power AC dynamic system. Potensic Dreamer can instantly burst out with triple power within 0.1 second to provide the best performance at a speed of 10 meters per second and witty responses to various emergencies. Besides, it is equipped with a powerful brushless motor, which enables this 4K drone to work at a temperature of 0 degree to 40 degree, and can withstand different weather conditions within level 3 wind. Potensic Dreamer adopted an all-in-one design. It only takes 10 seconds to quickly and simply install the propellers. You don't have to calibrate within the same 186.4 miles. It is also provided with a new, intuitive, and safe piloting app. It is provided with an ergonomic remote control that will enable you to start a flight trip in few steps. So the beginners will be able to handle the flight with few steps. It is provided with multi-function like Follow Me, Circle Flight, Waypoint Flight, Precise Altitude Flight, Auto Return, First Person View, Emergency Stop, Headless Mode, One Key Takeoff and Landing. You will have to get ready for the simplest and intuitive flying experience. In at second place, the best drone is DJI Mavic Mini GPS drone. DJI Mavic Mini camera is a compact yet powerful drone. It will be your creative companion. You will be able to capture your moments in an effortless way, which will elevate the ordinary. With its amazing qualities, you will be able to show your creativity and put some color of your own on this colorful canvas. It weighs less than 250 grams. It is almost as light as the average smartphone of nowadays. It is so light that you will be able to fly this camera in the United States and Canada without registering with the government. You will be able to easily take this to different places. It is so travel-friendly. With DJI Mavic Mini you will be able to click 12-megapixel aerial photos and 2.7 Kelvin's high-definition videos. You will get an amazing shooting experience and will be able to capture the beauty around the world. You will be able to get stable photos and videos without it. You will get smooth video quality because it is provided with 3-axis motorized gimbal. This gimbal provides superior camera stability. DJI Mavic Mini's lightweight allows it to stay in the air longer than the similar consumer who flies other drones. You will get more time to click great quality pictures and videos. You will be able to enjoy up to 30 minutes of flight time with a fully charged battery. DJI Fly app requires an iOS version of 10.0, Android version 6.0 or above. In at number 1, the best drone is DJI Mini 2, 4K GPS drone. It weighs less than 249 grams, which is about as much as an apple. It is also so convenient and compact that it fits in the palm of your hand. Because of these qualities, this small drone should be your ideal companion. You can capture your favorite memories with it. This drone is equipped with 3-axis gimbal with a 4K camera. It is provided with a 12-megapixel camera which delivers with content that will be guaranteed to impress. You will be also able to enjoy 4K at 30 FPS video and a 3-axis motorized gimbal. DJI Mini 2 ensures stunning image quality that is consistently smooth no matter how adventurous the pilot gets. DJI Mini 2 supports up to 10 kilometers of high-definition videos transmission. It is also provided with excellent anti-interference capabilities. It will also give you the ability to fly farther and see clearer. It is provided with OcuSync 2.0. You will get a max battery life of 31 minutes. It will provide you enough time to compose the perfect shot. DJI Mini 2 can resist level 5 winds and it can also take off at a max altitude of 4,000 meters. So, your footage will be stable even when it will fly along a windy coastline or high above an alpine forest. It won't need to get close for your dream shot. You will get 4x digital zoom which will make it safer and more convenient when transitioning between shots of varying distance and composition. You will be able to automatically record and shoot professional-level videos to share directly on social media with just a few taps. There is an app called DJI Fly which will help you produce immersive results completely with the soundtracks and filters. This app will benefit you whether you are a beginner or a more experienced flyer. The DJI Fly will require iOS version 10.0, Android version 6.0 or above. So it will be compatible with lots of phones out there. Don't forget to subscribe. And I request you please share this video.